Air filter maintenance and replacement. To take care of our vehicle's air filter, you will need a flat and cross screwdriver, pliers, WD-40, air filter oil, and a new air filter. On two-cylinder models, the air filter is located between the handlebar and the seat. First, let's take off the passenger seat, then the driver's seat. To easily remove plastic rivets, spray some WD-40 on them. Remove the side panels. Remove the clips that hold the airbox cover in place. And now we reach our vehicle's air filter. Loosen the clamp and remove the filter. Check the air filter before every ride, especially if you ride in dusty conditions. Filters like this one are okay to use, but it is recommended to change it. Air filters like this one have to be changed immediately. If not, it can easily damage your vehicle's engine. So how do you properly prepare a new air filter for use? Spray the special air filter oil on the foam part of the filter. Do not spray the oil on the paper part of the filter. That could damage it. If you have a reusable foam air filter, use more oil to fully soak it. Squeeze out any excess oil. Put the filter back in the airbox and tighten the clamp. Do not over-tighten to avoid damaging the plastic tube. Put the airbox cover and clamps back on. Spray WD-40 on the mounting points to ease the assembly. Mount the seat back on and you are ready to go. Ride safe and see you soon.